Hello and welcome to this video on how to see your liked posts on Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media platform where users can share photos and videos with their followers. One of the features on Instagram is the ability to like posts, which allows users to show their appreciation for the content. In this video, we will be showing you how to view your liked posts on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. After that, you will need to navigate to your profile page. To do this, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Next, you will need to access your account settings. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. After you tap on the three lines icon, a menu will appear like this. Then you just need to tap on your activity. Once you are in your activity settings, you will need to tap to Interactions option. Tap on this option to access all your account interactions in the past. The last step, please tap to Likes option. In this section you will see all of the posts that you have been liked in the past. You now know how to view your liked posts on Instagram. This is a great way to revisit some of your favorite posts or to see what content you have been engaging with on the platform. Thanks for watching.